Hey everyone! Looking for the best wall chaser to make clean, precise channels for cables and pipes? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing wall chasers of the year, considering cutting power, ease of use, features, and real-life performance. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Huanyu Electric Wall Chaser. The Huanyu Electric Wall Chaser stands out with its premium aviation-grade magnesium alloy body, which reduces weight by 30% while maintaining high strength. This makes it easier to handle during prolonged use without sacrificing durability. Powered by a 4,800-watt pure copper wire motor capable of 9,000 revolutions per minute, it offers exceptional cutting performance for tough materials like cement, brick, marble, and even concrete with steel reinforcement. With a cutting width and depth of up to 40 millimeters, this machine is well suited for creating clean, precise channels in a single pass. The infrared aiming system and wear-resistant rollers help guide the tool for perfectly straight cuts, enhancing both speed and accuracy. One-time molding capability means no secondary processing, greatly improving efficiency. The depth adjustment can be changed quickly with a single control, allowing for seamless adaptation between different projects. Dust and debris are managed effectively through a closed dustbin system and smart water pump synchronization, which keeps the workspace cleaner and protects the operator from exposure. The option to connect to a vacuum cleaner provides additional dust control. Number 4. VicSec Electric Wall Grooving Cutting Machine. The VicSec Electric Wall Grooving Cutting Machine offers both speed and accuracy for demanding wall cutting projects. With a maximum depth of 41 millimeters and width of 42 millimeters, it handles a wide range of wall materials, including extremely hard surfaces like black-hearted red brick and concrete pouring walls. A key strength of this model is its adjustable depth and width capability, allowing you to fine-tune settings for different jobs. It also supports installation of between 1 and 7 saw blades, adding flexibility to the cutting process. The dual-handle design, with one rotating 180 degrees and the other 90 degrees, enhances control and ergonomics during extended use. Its infrared lighting system ensures precise cutting lines, while the movable dust cover minimizes debris spread. Number 3. TeakJot Electric Wall Groove Cutting Machine. The TeakJot Electric Wall Groove Cutting Machine is built to handle intensive cutting tasks while delivering precise and dust-controlled results. Powered by a 4,800-watt copper motor running at 6,500 revolutions per minute, it effortlessly cuts concrete, brick, granite, and marble. Its maximum groove width of 40 millimeters and depth of 42 millimeters makes it versatile enough for a variety of applications. Designed for efficiency, this model offers a one-time forming capability that eliminates the need for multiple passes or additional processing. Adjustable handles, one rotating 180 degrees and the other 90 degrees. Number 2. Stream Power US Wall Chaser Cutting Machine. The Stream Power US Wall Chaser is a versatile and efficient solution for professionals who work with a wide range of wall materials, including red brick, sand brick, cement walls, and more. Its ability to perform precise cuts at a 90-degree angle adds flexibility to the work process, allowing for straight, clean chases without unnecessary rework. Equipped with an electric leakage protector, it prioritizes operator safety. This feature, combined with an ergonomic design, ensures that even extended periods of use remain comfortable and secure. The built-in vacuum port and water pump work together to significantly reduce dust, protecting both the user's health and the machine's components. Number 1. VEVER Wall Chaser. The VEVER Wall Chaser is a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty wall cutting tasks, combining exceptional cutting performance with user-friendly design. Delivering up to 4,800 watts of power and a speed of 6,500 revolutions per minute, it can cut through concrete, brick, marble, and even lumber with ease. Its maximum groove depth of 41 millimeters and width of 42 millimeters makes it suitable for a wide variety of applications, from electrical wiring channels to plumbing installations. One of its most impressive features is the integrated laser guide, which allows for straight, accurate cuts even in challenging conditions. The adjustable cutting depth and width ensure versatility. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.